everyone, good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Here I am Manshi from Smart Indian Modern School. So class, we are going to learn about phonics funs, okay? So dear kids, take out your English book, okay? Take out your English book everyone. Now open the page number 11, okay? Yes, it's a phonics fun. So dear kids, today we are going to learn about phonics funs, okay? Today we are going to learn phonics fun. Okay, today now start your class. Firstly, write down the date today. What is the date? It's 15th of Jan 2024. Now write down here CW. It's a classwork. Okay, dear kids. First of all, we are read this heading. Circle the short sound word. Circle the short sound words and underline the long sound words. Okay, dear kids, circle the short sound words, okay, and underline the long sound words. You have to circle short sound and underline long sound. Circle short sound. Okay, let's start. See this first picture. Pan on the pane. Pan on the pen. So here it's a pan. So now here it's a circle and here you have to underline. Then next, what this is? Which picture is this? Yes, this is sun. Now read this. THE, the, JUNE, June, SUN, sun. So here sun is your short sound word and June it's your long sound word. So here you have to choose underline. Okay, now next, jump for next. BU, bug. On a, BLUE, blue, CUBE, cube. Bug on a cube. Yes, it's right. Bug on a blue cube. So here bug is your short sound. So you have to circle. On a blue and cube. It's a sometimes something rhyme. Blue, clue, cube. So here you have to underline blue and cube. Both words are long sound words. Next, DOG, dog. With a bone. See, dog with a bone. Dog के पास क्या है? एक bone है. So here dog, DOG, dog. Dog is your short sound word. So you have to circle. With a bone. BONE, NE, bone. Bone is your long sound word. So you have to underline. Next, FIVE, five. Figs in the bin. Bin is your short sound word, so you have to circle fig. And five is your long sound words, so you have to underline. Next, mom, M-O-M, mom, at home, works on stoves. Mom is a small word, short word, you have to circle. A-T, at, H-O-M-E, home. Home is long sound word. Works on stove. Stove is also a long sound word, so you have to underline. Okay, dear kids? Okay, I hope so. You have to know what is your short sound words and what is your long sound words. See you soon in your next video. Bye bye everyone. And please like and subscribe this video. Bye bye.